How's it going, my friends? This is Uncle Frank again, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to draw another character from the Spiderverse. This is gonna be Spiderman. It's a very cartoonish character, and we're gonna start by drawing an oval for his head. And then I'm gonna make a curvy line of action to the ground. It's very important to find the center for his face, and here I'm drawing a line just to indicate the center of his nose. Now with these curved lines I draw the cheeks, and I make another oval for the nose. So his nostrils are gonna look like two big water drops. And his eyes are gonna be behind his nose. And the bottom's just going to be a line. Now I have to make his neck thinner and work a little more on the shape of his head, so I have an idea what it's gonna look like. His body is gonna be thin on top, next to the neck. It's gonna get a little wider as we go down. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It's very important for us to keep our regularity and to improve our videos. Like I mentioned in other videos, I like to make the hand where it's going to be, and then I just connect it to the shoulders. His arm is just going to be a curved line, and I make the hand in a way that it looks convincing, but without many details. The other arm is going to be a line extending from his shoulder to about the middle of his head. For the hand, I'm just going to draw a circle, and then I'm going to place the fingers around it. His spider is going to be in the middle of his belly. The funny thing about Spider-Ham is that he was actually a spider that was bitten by a radioactive pig. I know it's weird, but it's just one more possibility in the multiverse of madness. So let's start working on the webbing for his suit. I'm gonna draw a few vertical lines, and then it's gonna be crossed by a few horizontal lines. Some more lines for his feet. Just remember, these lines aren't gonna be covered, so I'm not necessarily gonna use them. I'm just doing them here because I want to know what the drawing is gonna look like, but they are certainly gonna be covered. Okay, I decided not to do the webbing for the face right now because it would be too much work, and in a couple of steps I'm not going to be able to see it anymore. So his mouth is just going to be a line. Okay, I think the basic sketch is done. That's fine for now. I'm going to erase the lines that I don't need, just being careful not to erase the ones I'm going to use afterwards. So now we can have a good idea of where we're going, and I decided to use some watercolor for this one, but you can use whatever you have at hand. So don't be shy, use your colored pencils, crayons, whatever you have, and try to do it yourself. So now that I've waited a few minutes for the paint to dry, I think it's time for inking, and I'm gonna use a marker just to cover the external lines. And I thought it would be a good idea to use a fountain pen to do the webbing on his suit and whatever details I need to do. And that's all, folks. Spider-Ham is done, and I'm quite satisfied with the result. And don't forget that the comment section is always open for you. So tell us what you think, give us a suggestion, tell us what you'd like to learn, or just, if you prefer, just ask me how my day was. But leave a comment. Your participation is very important for us. Thank you very much for being with me up to this point. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, my friends.